Whether you're planning the ultimate summer party, keeping drinks cold at the office, or simply tired of running to the store for ice, a reliable ice-making machine can be a total game changer. But with so many models on the market, ranging from compact countertop units to powerful machines for heavy use, it's not always easy to know which one truly delivers. That's why in today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best ice-making machines available right now. We've compared their speed, ice capacity, design, and user feedback to help you choose the one that perfectly fits your needs. Whether you're after bullet ice, nugget ice, or crystal clear cubes, there's something here for everyone. Let's take a closer look at the models that really know how to chill. In the 5th, the Cylon Ice Maker is a compact and efficient device capable of producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, with a daily capacity of up to 26 pounds. It offers 2 sizes of ice cubes, small ones for chilling seafood and beer, and large ones for quickly cooling drinks. The machine is remarkably quiet and includes a transparent lid for easy monitoring, while smart sensors automatically halt production when the basket is full. Its control panel is simple to use. Just add water, press on, and choose your cube size. A 5-second press on the on-off button activates the self-cleaning function, ensuring easy maintenance. However, some users noted the unit can be moderately difficult to repair and may not withstand the kind of movement typical in portable or mobile environments. Despite this, the Cylon Ice Maker stands out for its reliability, quiet operation, and excellent value, especially for those who want quick and effortless ice making at home. In 4th, the Frigidaire Ice Maker delivers crystal clear ice cubes in under 6 minutes and produces up to 26 pounds of ice daily. Its reservoir sits below the ice basket and can store up to 2.2 pounds of ice at a time. The machine allows you to choose between 2 cube sizes, and its stainless steel design with a transparent window adds a modern touch to any countertop. The digital control panel is intuitive and signals when the bin is full or water is running low, automatically releasing the cubes into the bucket. Customers rave about its speed, functionality, and ease of use. However, while the build quality is good, it lacks advanced features like remote control or smart connectivity. Overall, the Frigidaire Ice Maker is a solid choice for those seeking a dependable, fast, and attractive ice maker that outpaces most refrigerator-based ice makers and proves to be a great investment for everyday convenience. In the 3rd, the eCozy Ice Maker impresses with its ability to produce solid, clear, slow-melting ice cubes that preserve the flavor of your drinks longer than typical hollow bullet ice. It can generate 24 cubes in just 13 minutes and up to 45 pounds per day, meeting the needs of families or parties. The 24-hour timer allows for automatic overnight operation, and the self-cleaning feature ensures easy maintenance. The unit comes with a removable basket, 3 storage bags, and a standing scoop, making it simple to manage and store ice. However, due to its more premium design, it takes up a bit more space than smaller models and may be overkill for casual users. Nevertheless, the eCozy Ice Maker is ideal for those who love high-quality drinks and want crystal clear, bar-style ice at home. It's a game-changer for iced coffee, cocktails, and anyone who enjoys their beverages extra chilled and stylish. Secondly, the Govee Life Ice Maker is a smart, connected device that produces 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds per day from a 2-liter water tank. You can control and monitor it via an app or voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant, making it one of the most modern options available. It offers 3 cube sizes and has an RGB lit ice basket for added style. Smart reminders notify you when to refill water or empty the bin. The 10-minute self-cleaning function can be customized via the app, ensuring hygienic use. However, the ice tray does not have a cooling function, meaning ice should be transferred quickly to a freezer for longer storage. Some users also feel that real-world output can be lower than advertised. Still, the Govee Life Ice Maker is an excellent option for tech-savvy users who want automation, convenience, and a fun design, all in one sleek machine. And to finish, first of all, the Euhomi Nugget Ice Maker delivers soft, chewable pellet ice in just 6 to 8 minutes, producing up to 34 pounds of ice daily with a 1.8-pound removable basket and a 1.2-quart water tank. Its compact design, carrying handle, and scoop holder make it perfect for use at home, in an RV, or during a party. The machine includes a 15-minute self-cleaning cycle and easy top access for deeper cleaning. It operates at under 50 decibels, making it quiet enough for office or nighttime use. It's also energy efficient, consuming just 3 kilowatt-hours per day. While some users noted the tray isn't refrigerated and ice can melt if not transferred promptly, most find the ice quality exceptional and the performance reliable. With soft, restaurant-style ice and a convenient design, the Euhomi Ice Maker tops this list for its user-friendliness, great output, and the premium ice experience it delivers. In summary, choosing the right portable ice maker can elevate your kitchen, RV, party, or daily drink experience. From the budget-friendly Cylon to the premium Euhomi Nugget Ice Machine, each model offers unique strengths, from speed and ice quality to smart features and portability. Whether you're after crystal-clear cubes, app-controlled scheduling, or soft, chewable pellet ice, there's a perfect fit for every need. Just remember, while performance matters, convenience, storage, and cleaning features can make all the difference. Invest wisely and enjoy fresh ice whenever you need it. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.